Hello again! In this tutorial, I will show you how to import the orthophotos from NUBIGON into AutoCAD with the correct scale. First, make sure that the right TFW World File option is enabled when exporting orthophotos from NUBIGON. Then, download and install the third-party georefimg command for AutoCAD. You will find the link in the video description. Drag and drop the orthophoto onto the main view of AutoCAD. When prompted to enter insertion point, scale factor, and rotation angle, press enter each time. In the command line, type georefimg and press enter. Select the orthophoto and press enter. Now we can work with a correctly scaled orthophoto in AutoCAD. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you at the next tutorial.